If you knew the Indian smartphone market before Jio was launched, you might have come across the smartphone Micromax. Micromax was India's second largest smartphone back in 2014. But after that, the company just lost its market share and disappeared into the crowd. So in this video, we will discuss the reasons behind the downfall of Micromax. Basically, Micromax Informatics was founded by Rajesh Agrawal in 1991. Initially, it served as a distributor of computer hardware for different brands like Dell, HP, and Sony. The brand later manufactured wireless public phones or PCOs in short. However, one of their members came up with an idea to make mobile phones and convinced their partners to jump into the game. This resulted into the first product, the Micromax X1i feature phone, which became a massive success in the country in 2008. It was primarily because the phone came with a 30-day standby time and it was priced reasonably. The phone became a big success in rural India, where the people were not able to charge their phones at regular intervals of time. The company then entered into the tablet market in 2010 with its Funbook series and later introduced its Android-powered smartphone, the Micromax A60. People started recognizing Micromax as a brand with great value and affordable price. Canvas series was one of the most loved smartphones of the time. The company spent a huge sum of money on marketing their products. Celebrities like Akshay Kumar and Twinkle Khanna was their brand ambassador in India. But what was the reason behind the downfall of Micromax? There were mainly three reasons behind the downfall of Micromax. Number 1. Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio introduced its 4G network in 2015 and started providing free 4G SIM cards to the entire country. This drastically changed the whole landscape in both the telecom sector and smartphone industry. Previously, people had to purchase 2G and 3G data at a very high cost, but after Jio was introduced, the price of data reduced drastically. Also, most of the smartphone industry started shifting its focus to 4G. Popular Chinese companies like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Xiaomi suddenly came up with their smartphones in India and started marketing their product all possible way. Because of great features and affordable prices compared with Indian companies like Micromax, these Chinese companies acquired the Indian smartphone market drastically. Micromax underestimated the 4G revolution in India and was never prepared for this drastic change, which became the prime reason behind the downfall. This resulted in a massive drop in the market share of Micromax. The brand, which enjoyed a strong 16.22% market share in 2015, witnessed a steep decline. The company market share for 2016 was 10.8% for the feature phone and 8.80% for smartphones, which reduced to 4.30% for smartphones and 2.80% in feature phones by the year 2018. Although Micromax came up with 4G smartphones later on with Bharat series, it was not that successful. Number 2. Lack of innovation. When almost all companies were working on innovation, especially before the 4G revolution, Micromax was not at all into upgrading their phones according to the trend. But on the other hand, other Chinese companies were constantly improving and innovating in their field. By the time Micromax upgraded their phones according to the market need, it was too late and the majority market share was already occupied by other 4G companies. Number 3. Poor after-sale services. Micromax also failed in delivering good after-sale support to its customers. Although the brand has a strong network of around 1,300 service centers in the country, the quality of service was not good at all. The service center took months to repair smartphones, and there were issues with the lack of replacement parts available in the service centers. Another major point where Micromax failed was not providing any regular update on their software. There was next to no software update compared to smartphones that came afterward. The only reason Micromax was surviving in the Indian market was because of their product at a lower price compared to other 3G phones during that time. But after customers got an option to choose 4G smartphones with better price and cheap data pack, they easily shifted to other companies like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi and Xiaomi. So these were some key reasons behind the downfall of Micromax. Comment down what was your experience with Micromax, and also you can suggest to us on which startup or brand should we make our next video. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more regular contents. Thank you and see you in the next video.